Introducing Argil Atom, the most controllable AI video generator in the world. Experience next-level consistency and control like never before. No limits, no boundaries. This is the Argil AI demo every creator has been waiting for. From AI avatars to full AI video editing, meet the future of creation, Argil AI.
With Argil Atom, one picture is all it takes to create infinite versions of your avatar. It can generate perfect body language and expression. Look how good it looks. You can also add any details of your brand in one click. Oh, I said add details, not remove them. One of our clients made $300,000 in 6 months with his AI avatar by selling real estate. Yeah, there's no one here, but that story is true. The truth is, if you don't have a video strategy today, whoever you are, your competitors will devour you. Oh, don't worry, that is beef. If uploading a picture is too much for you, you can even create your own avatar with our builder, or use one of our 300 avatars to create educational, marketing, and UGC videos. So if you don't start making videos, I will make you. No more excuses.
To use this AI tool is super simple. Just follow the link in the description of this video, and you will be brought to Argil's website. Click on Start Free Trial to sign up for free. But if you already have an account with Argil, click on Sign In. Then sign up with your email, and you will be brought to this interface. Here, you have 3 options. The first is Avatar of You. When you click that, you are brought into your dashboard. Click on Avatar, then Create New. You can now continue with your creation. And that's it. You've just seen how Argil Atom pushes the limits of what's possible with AI video generation. From consistency to control, this tool sets a brand new standard for AI video editors and AI avatars. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest AI tools for content creators. Check out my other videos for more powerful tools like Higgsfield AI, HeyGen, and Filmora AI tools, all designed to help you create smarter and faster. Once again, this is Ray Creators Lab, where creators discover the best AI and online tools to level up their content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.